All right, hello everybody, welcome back. Like I said in the previous video, we're back at Pete's again this week on a Wednesday evening, and we're smashing forward on the Windsor stroker project. If you guys remember, this is a 402 cubic inch
402
Windsor stroker because it is standard bore. Because, you know, most of the Windsor strokers are 408 cubic inches, but that's automatically 30 over. We started out with a brand new Ford Racing or Ford Motorsport block, so why bore at 30 over when you can start at standard bore? And which is what we did. That's why we got the numbers where we're at. So continuing on from the last build video, we're on to the heads and the valve train portion. We already copper coated and just kind of set the head in place with one bolt holding on. And we're gonna do the same here for the passenger side. Still waiting for John to show up.
Yeah. So we'll get as much as we can done.
Oh yeah. So everything has been cleaned. The deck surface has been cleaned. The head has been cleaned. This has been prepped and all the.
Yeah. Before he turned up.
Oh yeah.
Didn't mention that, did you?
Oh no.
Hey?
Look how far we've gotten.
Got one head on, yeah.
So yeah, the dowels are kind of in the heads. So we're gonna do this little tricky maneuver here to get them on. So always remember, coolant holes go to the rear. So if you want to bring the head around.
Yeah.
All right. Very ginger. At the back, lift it up on the front, slide it up. A little more until it lines up with the top of the rail. There you go. And we're on. Head bolts. Just make sure it doesn't go anywhere. We got to get all the hardware, clean them up. Use the ultra torque. Get these torqued on, and then we'll get into the lifters and the valve train.
We will.
Heads are bolted on, torqued up. I guess we'll on to just dropping lifters in it.
Expensive lifters. Do we want to hoil these?
You can. 2050.
I'm surprised you allow me to use that.
Break in. Another good thing about the Windsor, you can get those in without taking the heads off. Nice and clean.
There we go. It's ever so quiet without John here. Can you
hear the traffic?
Can you hear the traffic? Look. He's on his way, bless him. They're a good fit.
So, I mean, it should just start flying together. The push rods, guide plates are already set.
Yeah.
Just dropping the push rods in. They've already been assembled once before.
Voila.
All right. Were those in any kind of order, or you don't remember? I don't remember.
It's all new, Mike. It's all new.
All right. And like that, the valve train is all assembled. And then Pete was over on the bench cleaning up the intake manifold, and I'm looking at things. I'm making sure all the lock nuts are about the same level, because you can kind of look at those and see if any of your adjustments are out of whack, or a rocker size loose, or something's a little weird. And then I thought to myself, wait a minute, we just bought some other parts. So
I can't believe you forgot them, Mike.
Oh, me. He's the one.
So we got to take all this off now.
Yeah, we have to undo all the lash. The valve lash adjustment
We got ahead of ourselves.
Yep.
We got some new bits there.
So this is what even brand kit is this? Is this Trick Flow?
Trick Flow.
Yeah, Trick Flow stud girdles. Specifically, should be
so we can rev it higher than John.
Yeah, the TFS-R. So, because there's a lot of spring pressure, a lot of lift, and these little, even though they're 7/16 inch studs, I think we need a little bit more support in order to make sure the longevity of this thing is set up. So, yeah. R series.
R series.
So
there we go. Look.
Well, I've never actually installed this set before.
No.
So
Well, there's no destructions with them.
I hope it's relatively self-explanatory other than like what torque you want it, unless it's...
Well, I
blah, blah,
presume
blah.
that's going to be the only thing, isn't it? What we talk it all down to.
Gonna have to have a play. Anyway, we'll be back in a minute, and we'll do one side, figure it out, and then we'll bring you back in and see if there's anything
When we know what we're doing.
to share. Well,
There we go. Look.
pretty sure we figured out there's no torque specs or anything like that for how tight you get these bolts, but it's on there. I mean, they're different because you look at the stud, and this hex portion is machined as part of the whole thing. And the set screw inside, they insert it from the bottom, they wind it all the way back to the top, and when you put it on there, you just wind it down until it bottoms out, and you torque it down. So
He said inserted.
well, here
What about it? Hi.
It's clever.
we could film you doing this side.
I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Well, look for
Where's the other thing too?
Well, that's last. That's last.
Whatever.
So look for the lifter rocker on the base circle of the cam, so we know that's up, that's down. You can put one on here.
This one?
You
I drop it right in that intake. So you do that before
So-
the... No,
Yeah,
it's already
so
on.
do it.
Are we,
twist the push rod,
Okay.
and right when it gets snug, you know that zero lash.
Okay. That's snug.
So then we give it half of a turn.
Half of a turn. Okay. So, all the way up to here.
Yep.
180.
yep. That's 180 is half.
I'm just making sure.
Now, hold it with the wrench. Just put the wrench on there. There you go. Now put
Other
that
end.
long end through to reach it.
Okay. Yeah.
Now just spin it down.
I've never done one of these before.
Neither have we. We just figured it out.
Probably be the last time I do it too.
Well, we've done these before. We haven't put one of these on before.
There it is. Okay. How snug?
Now, that's why I get this thing on there and give it a little...
Okay.
You don't have to give it too much because we're putting the girdle on. That's going to help pinch all of them to keep them from backing out.
Okay,
So
so just...
just till you feel good about it.
Well, I feel pretty good if I bend the shit out of it. Oh, shoot out of it. Okay, I think that's probably snug. Because yeah, I don't want to over torque it. So
All right, and well, we'll do that 7 more times on this side. We'll have
Yep.
to rotate the engine around a little bit, and all right, we'll bring you right back when they're all set up and we're getting ready to put the actual girdle itself on. Oh, John's soul is hurting.
it's not even my soul. It's my vocabulary. How am I supposed to communicate?
I used to have I'd call them a friend, but we call them FSD. So F word,
Yep.
S word, and dude.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be damn it.
Because like, if those 3 words were taken out of his vocabulary, he would not be able to communicate anymore. Hey, dude. Beep, 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 dude. Dude.
Is he from California?
Pretty sure.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, there we go.
Well, now we hope the valve covers fit.
Now what?
Now we hope the valve covers fit.
We just make the we just get extra gaskets.
Mate, if they don't fit, you owe me some money.
If they don't fit, we're not using them. We're just gonna let it run without them. Squirt oil.
I'm pretty sure they're gonna fit.
Yeah, they are the deep ones. Easy peasy.
Oh yeah.
Round it.
Actually,
cover.
these go the other way around. So the breather holes are on the rear.
Yeah, that's very true.
These are valuable anymore. The Ford Motorsport ones.
Those pieces of crap.
Did you order valve covers for yours yet?
No. I was gonna
Those
take his, but
those
it won't
pieces
fit.
of crap?
Yeah, they won't work on mine. They won't work on my piece of crap.
No. Proper engine.
Shoot.
I'll have to flag these. So.
Take 2. Proper engine. He can't do it.
I can't even say what I want to because it involves a bad word. This piece of...
Are we happy?
I am happy.
Yep. Are you sure?
think-
we haven't forgot anything.
No, these are, well, now you got them.
Yeah.
So,
Bought them, forgot about them. Nearly didn't fit them.
Yeah.
and all right, now we're back to the intake manifold.
Yes. Oh, I was cleaning
Oh yeah, we're
that,
cleaning
wasn't
that
I?
when I remembered. So
Yeah.
everything got sidetracked. So, all right, I'm gonna clean the valley out, clean the heads, and we'll get the gaskets out and ready. And oh, I think we got to trim the gaskets yet still, because I think the ports are bigger than the gaskets. So yeah, a little bit of work. We'll be back in a minute. We had to take the baffle out of the side. The stud girdle is now too tall.
But with the grommet in there, it's just touching on the bottom. But with the gasket,
It'll put it up a little
push it
higher.
up a little bit higher. So it should be fine.
Yeah.
So let's try it and see if I'm getting any interference. I don't think
Let's
we
go
will.
upside down.
It does have a top and bottom. Did you see?
No, I don't give a I'm just trying to get the size.
Oh, you cursed again.
I don't give a shoe. I don't give a shoe.
They'll say like here. Cover side. There we
Cover
go.
side, that's the one we want. All I was trying to do is see if it still clears with the if we were still getting interference. I think we're good. Oh,
You see if the cover side on this side, Pete?
Yeah.
Okay. We're trusting you.
He says that, but he didn't look.
Well, that's why I mentioned this one.
Yeah, right. He just saw it. He was like, "Oh, there's probably one on there." Huh? Beep.
Well, compared to the old trick TFS heads, or the 170s, these have this little kick out. So it seals all the way across the top now with the good hard gaskets instead of having to run the crappy cork.
Crappy cork. Can you say crappy? Can we? Can we say crappy?
I think crappy is allowed.
We can't say DB though.
No, that was strictly forbidden.
That is absolute BS. Am I allowed to say BS?
I think so.
Good, because I'm going to be using that one a lot then.
So I think we're going to get it to the point where this is kind of done. And next time we're going to be stabbing it in.
What, you mean you're going home tonight?
Yes, I would like to sleep with my wife, yes.
Really? Bloody half a job, Bob.
Yeah, whatever. I don't know if my wife wants me to be home, but I want to be home.
Now that you got the grill out of the way, we can get to the engine stand.
Yeah.
Or the cherry picker.
It's either that or we pull mine out. And I just put mine all up in the attic. I don't want to touch that thing right now.
Really?
I put it all up in the rafters.
No.
No, it's easy to get down because it's all disassembled. But
I'm fearful of putting heavy things overhead to have them fall down on my car.
they're not over the car. They're over the other side. There's nothing heavy over the car.
I hate things on the shelf near it. I hate it. Ugh, everything around my garage.
As small as my garage is, I don't
Yeah.
really have much of a choice. And nut driver
Well,
would be easier. But...
We're in a good position now.
Yeah, what the-
Next time it's off, clutch on, put it in.
Well, we got to remember to send home the rear main seal.
Yep.
Put all the stuff on the back on. Header's going to be an experience.
Yes. They may take me a while.
Yeah. Let's get them all lined up. We got to clean them off. Get ready to put them back on, and everything else should be okay. Do you want to put the supercharger brackets and stuff on now? It came off with it on, I believe, didn't it?
It did. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's not on when we put it back. It may be a bit easier.
Is it easier with it off when we're putting it in? I'm just asking. I don't remember what it was
There'll
like.
be less weight to shove about when it. I can put all that lot on afterwards.
Well, it's not too terribly difficult to put it on when it's in the bay.
No.
We do have to torque the crank bolt because it's just been
Yep.
ran in. I'll have to get my flywheel holder, tighten that up properly.
Yep.
All right, well, we'll call this one here for the night. And
Yep. Well done. Thank you
think-
for coming over, John.
Yeah, I was here for about 30 minutes. Whatever.
well, nothing's really changed other than just trying to fix an oil leak.
Well, yeah.
Just a
But
buttload of work.
yeah.
Well, and the girdles, because we didn't have those
Well.
before either, did we?
No,
Yep. So that'll be new.
that'll be new. So, means
I don't know if we can quantify that in any kind of way.
Just
but-
by
well, hitting that 7,000
I was just gonna
RPM.
say, just by being more confident in hitting the 7K.
Yeah, I won't have to worry so much. What are you taking yours to, John?
Oh, like 4,000. This is gonna be a diesel engine here.
Yeah.
Just all torqued.
Red line at 3,600.
Yeah,
End
yeah.
of the world.
Yeah, I don't want to break the crank, like those Cummins do, Yeah, it's gonna be a low revving, just a torque monster. It's gonna have 1,000 foot-pounds of
I
torque
suppose
and
this
idle.
time round I might be able to give it full throttle.
I don't know. Do you think that'll handle it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I bet you it spins the tires a little, just a little.
No, it's just going to lift the front up, mate.
That is not gonna happen. It better. Although, I mean, it's pretty tame though since we changed
Mate, I told you.
after he leaves.
Doesn't
South side bars.
Pick them
Yeah.
wheels up as high as it did last time.
South side bars back on. Yeah.
They're here somewhere.
Michael, you need to ditch those.
So they may as well be in Aladdin Cave. Yeah.
That's Pandora's box in there.
There's some there, isn't there?
Hey, you can't say that.
Oh, there's some bleed there.
It wasn't me.
Oh, I can take that one in now, can't I?
Yeah, we gotta get this done. So as soon as that's off the stand,
Yep.
I can go right on it. But I mean, it's gonna be, I don't know how long it's taking to do that, but
Well, 3 weeks the last one was.
well, I got literally that's gonna be on the hone
Yeah.
And that's it.
for 30 seconds.
Yeah.
If that.
Does it go in yet?
That's why I think we should just dingle ball hone it ourselves.
Yeah.
Get that thing up and tack it out.
Just get your balls in there and spin them around.
I don't think mine will be big enough to do it. So,
Nor do we.
they just fall in there. And just my old man.
He's a 4-inch bore.
Yeah, I definitely will not get even close to that.
Right.
So all right, we'll be back when we're stabbing this thing in.